Hello everyone! All fresh seafood, sugpo or prawns or huge shrimp that we are going to cook today. How are you all? And this is shrimps I ordered from allfreshseafoods.com with 10% discount with my name Juanita. So if you would like to order allfreshseafood.com, you get 10% discount, and the discount code is my name Juanita at www.allfreshseafood.com. They have really good seafoods there and more steaks as well. Or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1833 Got Crab. Enjoy the 10% discount using my name, Juanita. Thank you for all your support. Now, we are going to cook halabos na sugpo and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including my beloved mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmsed.com, juanitagutierrez.com. So enjoy my beloved mom's delightful food recipes. And this comes in ebook, Kindle, paperback format as well. And my beloved parents used to own a fishing boat named after Saint Anthony because my beloved mom is devotee of Saint Anthony, and I wrote all the miracles of Saint Anthony with beloved Jesus in my other book, Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And so that's my mom, a devotee of Saint Anthony, and more in this, my 22 books, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And so come on, let's go to our hot pan, and let me stabilize my camera here. And this is so easy. We're just going to boil or halabos. That's what you call boil. Halabos na hipon. And this is already fully washed. I already washed it many times. And we put all the sugpo or prawns or huge shrimp in the pan, and we're just going to halabos. Halabos in Tagalog is, in English, boil. Just easy, isn't it? And we're going, excuse me please, just hit my camera there. And then we're going to add some more. And some more. And then all you have to do is to add, excuse me please, you could just boil it just like that, but I would just like to add some garlic or bawang. So You put it right there. And then I just would like to add some sweet mini peppers right there, like so. And then I'd like to add some celery for good health. Now, let me get something in my fridge. And we are going to have salted butter. And this is organic. You don't have to, but this will add really good taste to the halabos. And we put it right there. And then this is easy, quick halabos na sugpo or hipon, because the sugpo or shrimp gets easily cooked. So we are going to start tossing them around. See, it has turned reddish already. The aroma of the shrimp smells like the sea. And as I have mentioned in my book, Missing People, Animals, Things, Good Whitney, my dad used to own a fishing boat, and he has engineers there who catch the fishes and all the kinds of seafoods. And I have seen fresh sugpo that you could eat right there without cooking. The aroma is really, really super delicious. I wish you're all here with me so you could enjoy cooking and eating our halabos na sugpo. And this is almost done. Look at that. The aroma of the garlic, the butter, and the celery and the sweet mini peppers all give the most delightful aroma. And I'm gonna add, this is optional, I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro over there. As we have cilantro right here, it's nice to have our fresh herbs. Excuse me, please. Let me stabilize my camera here. And then I just would like to add a little bit of grounded black pepper, and like so. And I would like to add a little bit of Icelandic water, or you could have the tap water if you like, just a little bit. And we're going to get Himalayan salt. Right here. The aroma of our Sugpo or prawns or shrimp. Just a little bit because Himalayan salt tends to be very powerful. And then I'm adding a little bit of ginger for more flavor. Isn't it beautiful? And super yum. And it's good to have ginger all the time ready because the ginger has lots of vitamins and minerals. So it's good to have ginger. The aroma is really, 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 really delicious. Now, the ginger, the garlic, the butter, the Himalayan salt, the spices, the cilantro, the celery, the sweet mini peppers. Oh my goodness. Now this is ready because when you eat fresh, the real live shrimp, it tastes very sweet. So this is done and we're going to enjoy this with jasmine aromatic rice. Oh my goodness, the aroma is inviting you and me to dine together and eat, especially during the holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, weddings, birthday, graduation, baptism, any time of the day, any time of the year, however you would like to enjoy halabos na sugpo or halabos na hipon. Hipon is shrimp in Tagalog. I like to the aroma of the spices. Oh my goodness. I wish you're all here with me. Enjoy cooking and dining. Oh my goodness. Wow. And that's all there is to it. Easy does it, isn't it? Just perfect. You're gonna love this aside you. Halabos na hipon, halabos na sugpo with butter, garlic, Himalayan salt, all the spices, and celery and cilantro, ginger, sweet mini peppers. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this aside you. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap. In English, super delicious. Come on, let's cook. In the Tagalog language, magluto po tayo. This is really, really, really delicious. Good heavenly taste. See you in the next video and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you all about their video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores worldwide near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And let's enjoy the aroma of the halabos na sugpo or boiled with yum, yum, yum. Simmered fresh prawns sugpo or hipon. Hipon is the Tagalog word for shrimp. As you know, I love to translate because I have a book, Speak Tagalog, a basic dialogue. Oh my, this is super yum. And then, look at that. And then it's nice to have sinangag. Oh wow, look at that, super yum. I'm inviting you all. Let's cook and let's dine. Halabos na Sugpo. Super yum. Look at that. The deliciousness. Just you can see and enjoy. Wow, delicious. Let me taste. See you in the next video. We're going to dine all together and enjoy this all together. Wow, happy cooking. Yum.